Do you have a Mac and you want to install Windows in your Mac? I'm going to teach you step by step how you can do this. I mean, I have Windows here, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can install yours, so that way you can have any software that you may miss on Mac, you can have it on Windows. So here is my tutorial. In a few minutes, you will learn everything that you need to know. All right, in order to download the app, so here I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11. I don't recommend Windows 10 because it's going to get obsolete very quickly. So all you have to do, go to parallels.com, buy the license, and then after you log in here, all you have to go is here where it says download products, and then here you have where it says automatic installer. So you download it here. I have it here already. So basically you open this app, double click here, and everything it will start working. So now I'm going to show you, as you can see here, the installer. So all you have to do is just click install Windows, and you will see. So now, as you can see here, is 10:47. So let's see how fast it goes. So now it's going to start downloading Windows 11. And if you have a fast speed connection, it will take maybe a few minutes. Otherwise, it can take maybe a couple hours. But here we are downloading it at 32 megabytes, no megabits, 32 megabytes. It's like 300 megabits, kind of like that. And in a little bit, we're going to have the 4 gigs, as you can see here. Here, I'm going to show you the type of computer that I have. So in this case, about my Mac, Monterey, I have the Apple M1 Max, 16 inches, 2021, 64 gigs of RAM. With that, I should be able to run few virtual boxes or virtual machines. As you can see here, I have my screens. Here the drive, I have 1 terabyte, so it's pretty fast. Now, in a little bit more, we should be able to install it and everything should be good. If it doesn't work, if it's get stuck somewhere, just close it, download it again, and we should be good. All right, now it's validating the ISO, the image file, and that's it. It should be good. I mean, it would be maybe if you do a custom install, maybe you can use the ISO that you have already on your computer. Otherwise, you can download it automatically, and that's it. All right, as you can see, setup is starting, and now it's installing everything. So as you can see here, we are 10:51. Let's see how long does it take to finish the installation. 3%, 5%. Usually it's way faster. I mean, Windows, the way it works, I mean, at least for installation, is way faster than Mac. With Mac, it can take like 2 or 3 hours to do the same thing. If you want to install it from scratch, you download, I mean, you delete, wipe and reload. You delete everything and install it again. That is what calls my attention, that Windows, at least in that case, in 10 minutes, 20, half an hour, worst case scenario, done. OS X, the Mac, I mean, you get that, like I said before, like 3 hours easily. We are 80%, 90, 100. Installing updates. Reinstall, restart now. Amazing. All right. If your mouse gets stuck inside of the window, all you have to do is press Control and Option or Control and Alt, and you should be able to take the mouse out. All right, as you can see, almost done. I mean, in less than 10 minutes, and it's almost ready to go. All right, all done. Miracle. As you can see, 10:56. 10:56, all done. Now we can download the updates and everything, and it's ready to go. I mean, this is, we can activate it. Okay, here you have to buy the license and then put the code, and that's it. There you go. That is all you have to do. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, please let me know. Here, as you can see here on the top, you have all the options. You can enter in travel mode, suspend, reboot, restart, and everything else that you see here. Here, you can see the USBs, if you want to change the network, or maybe share the camera, or anything like that. And also it has another option where you can use your Windows computer from Mac, so that way you don't have to go to a different Windows like now. If you want to go full screen, there you go. You have full screen. It's like you're in a Windows computer. So if you, as you can see, I can see all the files that I have on the desktop on my Mac. And here I can go and I can install all the apps that I need for Windows in order to work. So that way I don't have to worry about using Explorer or Edge or any of that. I can use something else. TeamViewer, WinRAR. If I want to code, I can use Python. I have a few classes on Python as well. Net, PayNet, I use it a lot. And that's it. As you can see, I open. We are ready to install all the apps that are needed. And this goes way faster than any Windows computer. And as you can see, everything works great. So if you want to use, the file explorer or anything like that, you have access to everything. If you want to exit, you go to the top, exit full screen, and that's it. If you don't want to have, for instance, anything to do, you want to insulate it from your Mac, you can click here and then you are not going to see anything. It's like everything is independent. Otherwise, you can have it the way I have it, and that's it. If you want to make a backup, you can do a backup. And I mean, this is not a class about how to use this, but at least you know how to use it, and we'll do the trick. Hopefully this video was useful, and see you next time.